Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is, what is the probability that something will happen? And to do this lesson, we will be using a worksheet from greatschools.com and some pencils. The link to that worksheet will be in the show notes found on my Pinterest board for you to download and print it out. And here is the worksheet, probability. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to talk about and explain what probability is. Probability is the likelihood that something may or may not happen. But we're going to be working on a probability line scale. And for each, the child will have 5 choices. Is it impossible for that thing to happen? Is there a poor chance that it will happen? A even or 50-50 chance that it might happen? Is there a good choice? A good chance of probability happening, which means that it will be greater than 50%? Or is it certain? Is there 100% chance that this will happen? Now, some of this may vary depending on your child's experience and exposure to certain situations. And we're first going to look at that sample box to illustrate exactly how to proceed with the lesson. So you are given 3 scenarios. It will get dark tonight. Talk about your child about getting dark. What's the probability? Well, we know that it will get dark tonight, so that's pretty much certain. When I toss a coin, it will land showing heads. And we know that a coin has 2 sides, heads and tails. So there's a 50-50 chance that it will happen. So we would choose even chance. And the third one, Abraham Lincoln will come for lunch. Okay, so your child knows that Abraham Lincoln was one of our most famous presidents, the 16th, who led us during the Civil War. We know that he was assassinated in 1865. So there's no chance that Abraham Lincoln is going to come to lunch. So that would be no chance at all. Impossible. Okay, so then after doing that and making sure your child understands the concepts, there are 3 sections here, and for each section, the child is going to be given those same 5 choices. The child reads each and then chooses one of the scenarios. I hope you've had fun with this lesson on probability and using the variations of the amount of probability, working with a line and the choices. Please do hit subscribe to get new teaching lessons on all different subjects every Friday, and for other educational resources to enrich you and your child's life, check out my website, www.littlemisshistory.com. Till we meet next time, bye.